Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super fun video. I'm doing a collaboration video with a group of amazing girls. We wanted to do a fun St. Patrick's Day themed kind of video. And the theme that the group chose was Leprechaun Vomit. So I'm going to show you my take on this, and at the very end of the video I will list all the other girls' channels, and I will also leave them down in the description box below, so I really urge you to go check out their videos as well, because it's just been so much fun doing this, and you gotta check out all the other looks. They're just so amazing. Alright, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Clean Canvas Eye Base. I have not used this before, so we're going to see how it works. I'm just going to dip a little bit onto my brush. I'm just going to sweep whatever extra is on the brush down underneath of my eye, because I'm going to be putting a lot of shadows and stuff under there as well. Alright, so I'm going to be using both the two Anastasia Pro pigment palettes. This is number 3 and number 2. Just because they have some really amazing greens and blacks and everything I need in there. I'm going to be doing more of like a creepy leprechaun, and I'm going to start with just some black, and I'm going to start putting this really kind of messily into my eye. I'm just gonna keep building up this black until it's like as black as I want it for right now. And again, I'm not being neat with this. I want it to look crazy. I'm gonna bring some right underneath my eye as well. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid because, well, I want to be like a creepy leprechaun, but I still want to have some sparkle. So I'm going to put this all over my lid. And then I'm going to go in with this Hard Candy hemp oil infused palette, and I'm going to take this green pressed glitter shade, and I'm going to put that down all over my lid. Holy, that stuff is crazy. Do you see how sparkly that is? Oh my goodness, I'm in love with that. All right, now on a really little brush, I'm going to dip into that black, and I'm just going to start like really making this eye look dark. I'm just slowly building it into the outer edge, and I'm dragging it up above that sparkly green. Also, I'm gonna sweep some more right underneath my lower lash. And I wanna drag it down. I wanna have sunken in deep eye sockets. All right, I'm gonna leave the eyes kind of where they are for the moment. All right, now I'm taking this really small pencil brush and I'm going to start making my facial lines a lot more distinct. And I'm gonna do that by scrunching my face in a whole bunch of weird faces, and I'm gonna fill them in with some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna start off really lightly and then gradually build them up to the depth that I want. We'll start with my forehead because those are easy, yeah? So I'm really just following the shape of my natural lines here. I'm just going in to all these little lines. I'm going to do my nose. I am going to make my nose appear larger. So I'm actually bringing my nostril shape out farther than my nostril goes. Do a bit of a nose contour here. Want to have a round, bulbous looking nose. And continue scrunching your face. And following the lines. Just really exaggerate your lines. Once you kind of fill in all your lines, you just want to go in and create even more. So you're gonna just kind of keep it going. See where you think some lines should go. And again, the thing about doing it lightly with eyeshadow first is that you can easily just kind of wipe it off and remark. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a black liquid liner, and I'm going to just kind of go over some of these lines and define them a bit. We're just creating little lines around the mouth to make it look a little bit more aged. All right, we're gonna take a break from doing lines for the moment. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a white liquid liner and I'm going to draw some little teeth. I want them to be pointy teeth. Now I'm going to go back in with that black and I'm going to fill in all around the white teeth. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of a red shadow and I'm going to just start putting some in certain places, like in my nose and around my cheeks. All right, I'm also going to put some of that red in around my eyes here. You know what, this could be great for Halloween makeup. Just saying. I'm going to take my ColourPop liner. What color is this in? I don't even know. Loverboy. And I'm going to put that right in my waterline. All right, now I'm just gonna try to define what I got going on as a brow here. I'm gonna create little hair strokes. He's got some crazy hairs happening. Now I'm going to take some yellow and I'm just going to put that on those teeth just to make them look a little more old and gross. All right, now that my face is somewhat looking the part, I think my hair and my shirt need to also look the part. All right guys, I am back with the final look. I just quickly threw on one of my husband's ugly puke green colored shirt, roughed up my hair, and this is the final look. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I had a lot of fun creating this creepy leprechaun dude on my face. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out the list of all these amazing ladies that I will leave scrolling down the screen and also in the description box below. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.